What's up everybody, today we're taking a look at the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro, the new memory kit I have installed in my editing rig. An upgrade from 16 to 32 gigs of RAM really does help while editing photos or videos, as it stores more data to work with as fast as possible. The kit I have is running at 3.2 GHz with timings of 16, 20, 20, 38. Since I have changed the case to one with a window, I decided to get a RAM kit that has RGB and can be customized. As you can see them right behind me, they are really bright and give a nice touch to your system look. The kit is 50mm tall, so make sure you have enough RAM clearance before you buy them. Fortunately for me, it fits just perfectly as the CPU cooler does not block the memory slots. Vengeance Pro fully supports XMP2 memory profile, so you can just simply enable it from the BIOS. The lighting modes can be controlled using Corsair's IQ software, which is pretty straightforward to use. It detected the memory modules right away, and it allows you to select which slot to light, switching through various presets. If you check Corsair's website, you can see that of course the memory can be overclocked to 4600 MHz, but it will not get you a visible increase in performance. Vengeance RGB Pro is available in 16, 32 and 64 gigs capacity, and this 32GB kit can be found for around $150. As a conclusion, do I think it's worth it? It's fast, it looks awesome, and it costs just a little bit more than the other non-RGB kits, so I definitely recommend it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as usual let me know your thoughts on this by dropping a comment below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.